This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Eric Hine, and with me today is Dr. Scott Hannum with Ortho Wilmington, here to talk to us about patient-specific partial knee replacement. How you doing, Dr. Hannum?
Good, Eric.
Great to have you here. First question is, what is partial knee replacement?
Well, partial knee replacement is for a person who has arthritis in one half of their knee, and their pain is recalcitrant to all other treatment, and they have to have something done. And we can put an artificial prosthesis just on one half of the knee.
Okay, so now what is patient-specific partial knee replacement?
Well, we have a new tool where we can take an MRI scan of the patient, and the company will make a specific jig for each patient that tells us where we can perfectly put the parts so we have perfect alignment, perfect function, perfect motion. Just a better way to do the surgery.
Okay, now who would be a good candidate for this procedure?
People that have disease in one half of the knee, very active patients, patients that are trying to get back to activity.
Okay, and how is something like this performed?
Well, we take them to surgery. It's an operation. We open up part of the knee. We don't have to cut any of the muscles to do the surgery. Pin the jig in place. Has a cutting jig, and we make a saw cut, remove the bad bone, put the new prosthesis on with some cement glue. Patient spends the night in the hospital, and we send him home the next day.
So was that considered an inpatient or an outpatient?
Well, it's an extended observation,
okay.
And then most people, we return back to full activity in 6 weeks.
Wow.
No restrictions.
That's a very quick turnaround time.
Right.
All right, excellent. And you said a recovery time as far as a full recovery, would you say?
Full recovery in 6 weeks, and we really don't limit patients in activity. There's no restrictions to this operation because we preserve the muscle and all the ligaments around the knee. They can do whatever they want.
And you can learn more by visiting the website at orthowilmington.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.